Hey guys, I'm Ann Freimark. I'm the teen programmer here at the Amy Sanders Library. And today I'm going to show you how to make a semi-traditional English treat called Raspberry Fool. This is an old dessert that used to be made mostly with cooking a fruit of some kind and then mixing it with sweet custard. A more modern version is mixing that fruit with whipped cream. So that's more along the take of what we're going to do today. So you'll need a few different things. Obviously you'll need some raspberries, then you'll need some whipping cream, you'll just need a cup, so a little small one, powdered sugar, regular sugar, some water, need some, I happen to have graham crackers today. You can use vanilla wafers or any other kind of type of cookie that you want. And then you'll need a hand beater, a few different mixing bowls, rubber spatula, measuring cups and spoons. So go ahead and take a minute now and go gather all of your materials. Alright guys, now that you've gathered all of your materials, I've got my raspberries measured out, about 1.5 cups. And now I'm just going to add my water. Just kind of pour that over. You'll just need a little smidgen of it. And then you're going to need the sugar. About 1/8 of a cup or so. And then we'll kind of stir that up a little bit. And then that will actually sit to the side for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then next, you're going to need your big bowl where you're going to be making your whipped cream. I always grab a stainless steel bowl and then put it in either my fridge or freezer. This way the bowl is nice and cold when the cream goes in, and this helps form the actual whipped cream a lot faster. Of course, if you don't have a stainless steel bowl at home, you can just use a regular mixing bowl, and it just may take an extra minute longer, but not a big deal. All right, so I'm gonna put this whole thing in. It's a cup of cream. And then I'm gonna grab my powdered sugar. You'll need 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. Once you got that in there, you're going to grab your beater and you're going to beat the mixture until you start seeing kind of soft peaks form, and that's when we're going to have our whipped cream. Okay guys, so once you're done whipping your cream, as you can tell when I touch it, it'll form soft little peaks in here because we don't want to over mix it. And then the next step is you're going to take your raspberries that now have been sitting for a little bit, and so you can kind of tell I've stirred them around a little bit, and so they're a little softer now. So you're actually going to take your fork, you're just going to kind of mash them up. So they should be nice and soft and pretty easy to mash up. Then once you're done with that, I like to leave some chunks in there. You know, I don't like it to be perfectly mashed up. I like it to be a mixture. And so once you kind of got that where you want it, you're going to take roughly about half of it and put it into your whipped cream. And then take your rubber spatula and you're just going to fold it in about once or twice. Just a few times. We don't want it to be perfectly mixed in, just kind of swirled in a little bit. And then once that's done, grab your bowl that you want to eat out of. You're just gonna spoon a little bit in. Now my whipped cream is a little extra soft. You could, if you really, really wanted to, probably whip it for about 30 more seconds. But I actually prefer my whipped cream like this. Since it's kind of more of a dessert on its own, instead of going on top of like hot cocoa or something. And so then, go ahead and just set that to the side, and you're going to grab either your graham crackers or your vanilla wafers, whatever kind of cookie you want to use. Just kind of make sure it's a kind of a crunchy cookie that you can crumble. So I'm going to grab a few of those. Just toss them in a Ziploc bag. And then I'm going to use my little mason jar just because that's what I have handy. You can use a rolling pin or a bowl or any other kind of blunt object and just kind of gently pound on them. That way you'll kind of get some crumbs. Okay, and once that's done, grab your bowl back over. Open the bag up, kind of set that to the side. We'll use that in 1 second. And make sure to grab the rest of your fruit mixture. Kind of spoon that over, however much you want. And then you'll take your cookie crumbs and just sprinkle those right on top. And then you're done. And so as you can see, you have a nice, very ooey, gooey, delicious dessert. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video today and have a great day.